Alright, hi guys, my name is Katie, or Kbdoesart, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to texture this Lego. So go ahead and select all our pieces, do Edit, Delete All by Type History, and then let's go ahead and click on Arnold, and add in a sky dome light. Next you can go ahead and just select all of your pieces, and we're going to hold down the right mouse button and click Assign New Material, click on Shader, click on AI Standard Surface, and then go ahead and change the color to whatever you want your Lego to be. So maybe if you want a red Lego, you can pick red. Let's see. I'm thinking they're usually pretty bright, so I'll do that. And then you can go ahead and click 7. You can see how the texture's kind of going. And if you wanted to, you could technically duplicate that object and assign a new material. Same exact process, except this time change the color to like a blue for the blue Lego. And then you could duplicate it and do the same exact thing, but just change it to a yellow. So then you have a lot of different options that you can kind of choose from for your Lego pieces. But yeah, that's super easy. I mean, like, the Legos are supposed to look pretty plastic, pretty flat, so you won't need to add really much of anything onto it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, but that's about it for this one. So good luck, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!